Hello, Scott Travis. This is the food for Scott Travis.
I'm Travis.
Travis Scott.
No, I'm Travis. Only Travis.
Travis.
Some foodie.
God is Travis is
What's he eating?
yeah, he's hungry right now.
What's he gonna eat for breakfast?
This is his breakfast.
Is he gonna have lunch?
Yeah, he will.
How about dinner?
And this is the food for all birds, baby. And made in Thailand here. It's very good for all parrots and a lot of proteins.
Dad, I like this one.
Yeah.
I like this one parrot.
What is his name?
This parrot over here with this long hair.
You know his name?
It's a mohawk.
Mohawk.
This hair is called a mohawk.
Mohawk.
Hawk.
Hawk.
Mohawk. How did you buy that? Why did you buy this?
I bought from Bissett.
No, it's this.
Yeah, from Bissett.
What? Why you just buy it? How long is gonna Travis Scott and get his breakfast? What does Travis eat?
He loves breakfast right now.
He's very hungry.
I think so.
Yeah.
I put some haze here because it can be very cold at night.
If he's cold,
Right
what?
now,
If he's cold, is
when
he
he's
gonna
too
die?
cold, he can die. Travis Scott,
What are you gonna
this
do
is
with
your breakfast.
Travis Scott's big? When Travis Scott's big, what are you dead? Why is Travis Scott in there? And he's little in his new home. Does he like it? His new home?
It's his new home right there.
Does he like it? Or no?
I think so.
Think he
I will put a roof for him.
So no birds can eat him? Can birds eat parrots?
You know.
Are they gonna play each other or what?
When we put birds in the cage, so the cat cannot eat them. Can you please feed our rabbit?
Okay.
Travis Scott, Travis. I think he feels very hungry right now. Tamaya, can you please bring
What?
tissue to me? Tamaya, can you please bring tissue? wanna clean him.
Do you want let him to take shower?
Yeah, we cannot do that.
When he's big, can you just take him a shower?
Yeah, we can do that.
We will make a video about that. Just use the sink. Let him take shower.
Show a video.
You want to have a monkey? Can you grab a monkey?
Yeah.
What animal do you like?
I like a lot of animals, but my favorite animals, they must be dogs.
What? Why did you like dogs? I like dogs too. I do like dogs.
Travis.
What does he need more?
He's not full.
Hey, what's his lunch?
It's the same food.
Dad, why is he gonna get some
So
breakfast?
one pack like this, we can keep it for him until he grow up, you know. Like,
Die?
until he grow up.
And till he grow up and he's old and die?
Yeah. He's a creature. So.
He's a creature. Can you let him go?
Yeah.
Are you gonna let him go or?
Yeah, when he can't fly, I will let him go.
No, when he's old, can you just let go him?
Yeah.
We're
You know
gonna-
the main things that the parrot can fly is for like forfeiture here. So we just cut 4 here. He cannot fly away.
Can he fly yet? Is he still a baby parrot or what? Or he's a big. Is he full yet?
It's not.
How long is he gonna be full?
When his stomach here is bigger, so he can be full.
Is he gonna grow very fast? Why does Travis grows up very fast?
Because he has enough food to eat. So like you, when you have enough food to eat, you can grow very fast.